Alright, welcome to the new vlog. So as you guys know, for a couple of years I was staying in Bangalore. मैं वहाँ पे थोड़ा काम कर रहा था, थोड़ा वजन लूज कर रहा था, and just in general I just want to get away from Mumbai for a bit. And whenever I would visit Mumbai from Bangalore, you know, either for work or just because I'm missing some of my friends, it was becoming very painful क्योंकि नवीद के घर पे मैं बंक कर रहा था और नवीद बहुत दूर रह रहा था यार. तो I told नवीद कि यार मुंबई में थोड़ा ऐसी जगह शिफ्ट करते हैं जहाँ पे दोस्तों के नजदीक हो, कॉमेडी क्लब्स के नजदीक हो, काम के नजदीक हो. So a couple of months ago we started house hunting and we got so lucky because this house was spacious. It was the perfect price. We had a very sweet landlady. It was very close to Ashu and Akash's house, Rohan's house, comedy clubs. There was a gym close by, which is what I wanted. But as you guys know, moving into a new house is a whole process and a half. Sometimes it doesn't have furniture. Sometimes it has furniture, but it's not to your liking. And me and Naveed had our own furniture, but it was like from very long ago. It was like from a decade ago. And it was time for a reshuffle. So the first week, me, Naveed and Nasif moved in. Rohan and Ashu came to check out the house. This is how it went. Hi, welcome to my pad.
Oh my god, congratulations guys, congratulations on new house. Congratulations, yeah?
Hello!
Yo.
Wow, isn't it crazy that you came
Came in
inside my
wearing
house with the mic?
I always, when I'm coming to meet you, I have mic and camera ready. Like, I know a vlog can start anytime.
I will give you a tour of the
Massive.
house. I'll give you a tour of the house.
Oh, Jhula!
Excuse me, sir, please. I'm Gujarati. This is called Hitchco. Hitchco is where all schemes against Bahu
Are made.
are made.
correct.
Hitchco is official scheming chair
Yes.
of Guju household, okay?
But I feel like, you know, you can jazz it up a bit.
Like what?
Right now it feels like I'm in a BDSM room, you know. This is very like metallic.
How does she know?
Guys,
You told me.
this I like, guys.
What do you
there
like?
are books. It's the same thing from the previous house, so I think. Also, this is too cute, yeah.
This
Naveed,
photo, no?
You should wipe your
I'll
feet.
Photoshop it.
Show us your feet.
Look how I roam around in this house.
Oh my god, look at those, look at the chappal also.
Like वो ओम शांति ओम में वो शाहरुख उठ के पहनता है ना ऐसा.
Now you only have to become Shah.
Chill area number 1.
Amazing, love it, love it.
Chill area number 1.
Very nice. It's
Yes.
I like this. It's got that sort of Adani business lounge. Charging points and spinny chairs vibe to it. It's nice. It's
Yeah.
nice.
This is where all friends will chill. To demonstrate, I would request everybody here
To chill?
to chill.
Yeah, chill. Just chill. Chill area number.
This is chill area number 2. We like
Did
hang
this
out.
come with this house or did you guys get it?
No, this is from the previous house.
This is from the previous house.
This couch is 9 years old.
3 generations.
And how many times has it been washed? -7. Also, this carpet, guys. Have you looked at this?
Yeah.
This is
Sometimes we
awful.
bring
It's good. Blue couch. Yeah.
I'm scared of taking it to my room now. This is the
Wow. Guys, he's clean. How he's cleaning, dude.
But yeah, in case I was not already too obsessed with work, this is where the computer will come. This is going to be my throne.
Oh wow. And this curtain is,
What's wrong with it?
it's beautiful. It's nice.
And there is a workspace behind my bed.
Oh, wow.
Literally nobody can ever work here. But they
That's-
just created a space.
I must ask.
Yeah, this is enough for one body.
That's one way of putting it. Yeah.
What is all this?
These
oh
are
my
all-
god, as soon as you open the cupboards, I'm like, yeah, yuck. Why can't boys be a little like, you know, heels and all?
In case you haven't noticed, each of these is a storage space.
Bro, how many bodies?
The craziest part of Naveed's room is that you might look at this and think cupboard ends here. But actually it does not.
Surprise! That's right.
You can put 2 full ties.
You can put 6 ties.
6 ties.
That's 17 more than you actually have.
And if you thought that's it,
No, sir. I
The
will never
side
think-
also
Oh my god. My brain is breaking. Oh, AC is also in the cupboard. Of course. Of course.
Wow.
you know, even this opens. Open and see. Don't be stupid, it doesn't open.
Is this not storage? Come on, guys. This is storage.
We'll figure it out over the time.
It's not storage.
This is the guest room.
It's my room. Oh Oh, so much storage. I love it.
And last but not the least,
Ooh.
the kitchen. Yeah, but kitchen of course has storage here, storage here,
fair,
storage all
It's
over.
the one place where you can't complain, right?
Yes. And if you thought that much storage is not enough,
It's not. I reject
then we
this.
have open storage.
Of course.
And even this small thing here.
Ollie! Oh, even bread should have its own house.
This is a whole separate house is attached to this kitchen.
This whole separate house. This is just for the cupboards that have no other home. This is a room.
This is the storage. This is a storage room for storage.
For storage. There's a horror movie setting here, which is not even a horror movie. Just a family with one kid moves in, and the kid is like, मेरे को hide and seek खेलना है. उसके बाद 3 साल उसका मम्मी पापा बस ढूंढ रहा है. घर में ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेज चला रहा है. बाबू come out. मम्मी पापा miss you.
Guys, also, isn't it time to change?
The fridge, yeah.
No, I meant these photos. I mean, hey guys, you want to see storage?
I feel like there was a lot of insult.
In the appreciation that she gave us.
Yes.
Me,
Like-
guys, I've been very generous.
You thought it was subtle.
Not at all. I hope I'm not subtle. You got the message, right?
We have to fix this.
I mean, I feel like it's good for you guys, but if you have to call someone home,
They don't like it, we'll put them inside storage.
The plan is that we're going to sex this place up. and we're
Potential to hai. And once you remove 2-3 cupboards, you'll get an extra 1,000 square feet. I'm sure. I'm quite excited. When's housewarming?
We will towards end of vlog.
Best.
I know. Me, Naveed, Naseef are insanely lucky that we found this place. Literally 45 minutes after the previous tenants left the house, we came to see the house. And it was within budget, so we just locked it. And we're even more lucky because the owner of the house is super sweet and they said that, we can do whatever we want to customize it. Now, of course, when you move to a new house, nothing is exactly how you want it. एक थोड़ा वो personalize करने का मन करता है. And that's why me and Naveed thought कि यार थोड़ा नया furniture लेने का time आ गया, maybe buy some, maybe rent some. And me and Naveed still very much had a budget within which we had to control everything. And when I told Naveed saying, hey, listen, this is my budget, Naveed looked at me and said, मैं तुझे vlog बनाना पड़ेगा. And I knew exactly what he was saying. And that's why I called up a couple of my friends who worked at Folenko. Folenko was perfect for us because they're India's largest rental furniture player. They have awesome furniture because they have an in-house design team and they have 300 plus designs. Their rentals start at just $149 a month. So they're pocket friendly and they give you flexibility to change stuff according to your aesthetic needs. और vlog बनाने का मौका तो मिल ही गया. So me, Naveed and my friend Krisan, who's a designer, when we were in Bangalore, we decided to visit a Folenko store. All right, we're here. Our goal today is to not only pick the furniture we want, but also decide who has better taste, me or Naveed. All right, guys, this is Anmol. This is Abhishek. They're going to help us pick out the furniture, but more importantly, they are going to be responsible for rejecting Naveed's choices. All right? Deal? Deal. Chris, what do we start with?
Couch.
For the hall?
Yes.
So, what piece is this?
This is called the Optimus sofa cum bed.
Okay.
And the great thing is it starts off like a sofa. So you start a movie. And by the end, if it gets boring, you just open it up and sleep.
Shall we try it?
Yeah, you should.
Let's try it. Let's try it. Come.
Not how we do it.
No.
You can put the pillow in between.
Yeah, I would like some pillow in between.
So it just like, plops of half also. Yes.
Oh, you can do a half thing. Yeah. I think, Naveed, to get proper feel.
No, I don't want.
And just see, if the TV is in the middle, we'll be sitting like this.
No.
Krisan has 0 comments so far.
I don't want to help, na. I'm like seeing who wants to choose which one, but I like this.
This is the option we like?
Yeah. So comfort.
There's a really plush. Yes.
Oh, this feels so good.
It is.
This is a 2-seater or a 3-seater?
It's a cozy 3-seater.
It was a 2-seater. And then I lost weight. Alright, so the second thing that we want is a table for our chill zone. So Naveed is suggesting this. Yeah, but I like this one because it's got a nice wooden feel. It's got an adult feel. What do you think?
No, the wood tone doesn't match. You have dark wood, this is light wood, it'll just look off.
So you're picking Naveed's option?
Yes.
Yeah.
I've lost weight and I'm
cute. It's cute.
No, bro. What do I play on this? It's too small for me.
I think it's too much seating happening in one area.
Reject. Our third option is this table.
Yeah, I think this goes really well.
I agree.
I agreed first. I agreed first.
Sorry.
Guys, this is my choice. You guys didn't pick this.
No, I picked first and I have video evidence to prove it. Replay.
This was shot later.
It's called Kya.
Oh, I love this cute bench.
Yeah.
I think we like bench. You want to sit
Yeah,
and
yeah.
see
We want
if
the
it's
bench.
comfortable. Like, to
Yeah. Bench में बैठ के पोहा ही तो खाना है.
This is a nice table.
Yeah.
But again, I think a lot of the charm. What are you doing?
Trying all the ways to eat.
Should we demo like what the average breakfast will be?
सुबह 8 बजे
शैंक से कॉफी लाना. अरे नवीद किधर है? क्या है? और किसी के साथ सो रहा है आज? निकालो उसको रूम से.
We also have these fabric swatches so that you can put it on the sofa and see okay how it's gonna look.
Oh. It also makes for a nice shawl.
I'll figure that out.
It's a cute shawl also.
Now tell whose taste is better. Look at his.
Chris और फर्नीचर दिखाओ हमको. सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम नवीद हर एक काउच पे बैठ के पर्सनली टेस्ट कर रहा है कि कैसा लगता है इसके ऊपर बैठ के. What are you doing? Oh, this is in that area near the window. Oh, I really like it. And it's yellow also. It's exactly like my Bangalore couch.
yeah.
क्या कुसुर पुसुर चल रहा है? क्या कुसुर पुसुर कर रहे हो?
Just like discussing whose taste is good so far. And it's obvious it is
Shut your
ours. But it's for the guest bedroom
Guest
which has
bedroom.
the bathtub wala.
Yeah.
Naveed is thinking anyway. If any guests come into the house, they're going to be sleeping in Naveed's room anyway. Brother, tell me, when can we get this furniture now?
So we promised them to do our delivery, so that's when you'll get your furniture.
Who has won today?
Are you really wanting to know the answer?
Let's go, Revant. Alright, so furniture shopping is done. Now within 72 hours, all the furniture will be home and the full setup is going to begin. And I can't wait to call Rohan and Ashu back to show them the full new revamped house. Chris, this is now it's all on you.
Yes, I'm super pumped and excited.
सूरज की किरणें आने दे मेरे मीत अब चल जाने दे जो भी बीत ओ जगे ताने पे ताने दे उनकी सुने ना देखो सावन आए रे मन हंसाए मितवा और सारी उम्र ना गवा दे मितवा क्यों सोचे बादल भरे हैं जबकि वो तो रुके हैं क्योंकि बारिश तो आनी है ना
And finally, the house was ready, and it was time for Rohan and Aishwarya to come back and check out the place. Friends, welcome to new house. Ashu,
Yes, hi.
how's it feeling?
I love it.
Piyush is coming for first time. Piyush,
Hi.
how do we feel?
यार पहले तो मेरे को लगा कि यही पॉडकास्ट रूम है.
You know, if you hang out with Tanmay enough, it can be.
Should we go see?
I think we
Yes.
should see it.
Okay.
I want to see it.
You know what the sad part is?
What?
That's been ready for like full 10 days. But I've been too lazy to shoot a podcast.
Like all Bombay infrastructure, just waiting for inauguration.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude, 2 MTV VJs would have been giving cool song recommendations in those chairs, okay? Oh my god, this is too
This
cool.
is so cool.
This is amazing. Like, my thoughts don't match the level of this room.
This room is too silent for my thoughts.
I really like that Ashu is merging into the chair.
Camouflage.
I love these yellow and
Very cool. I
yeah,
love it. I
it's
love
very
it.
cool. Who has designed it?
Sumit.
What?
You'll see it on his vlog.
Oh,
Good stuff, Sumit.
Very good, yeah.
Big fan.
I really like the photos wala part.
सुमित के कपड़ों से पता नहीं चलता था उसके एस्थेटिक्स का, लेकिन अब लग रहा है he is a very a man of taste.
What I like is that this can be a room for any kind of podcast. When you're doing comedy, you got like the cute office type photos and this thing. But Upar also mindset is everything. Please don't believe this nonsense. Mindset is not everything. As the decor in this room tells you, money is everything.
Friends, we come to a cool part. We were hanging out at Chill Area 1. Chill Area 2 is also ready.
Oh my god!
With PlayStation.
Oh my god!
And if you look under there properly, Shah Rukh Khan will come out.
Oh, crazy, crazy! Finally, Papa हमारे साथ FIFA खेलेंगे. Guys, Tanmay is so rich. She has original Van Gogh in his room. Okay.
We called for this chair. But it's not going with the aesthetic of the room now.
ये ऑप्शन भी होता है क्या कि एस्थेटिक के साथ नहीं जा रहा
Aesthetic के साथ exactly.
बजट के साथ जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है, पहले वो देखना होता है.
My favorite thing about this is you change the carpet.
Yeah, we changed the carpet.
And it's nice. I can sit on it. My clothes won't get spoiled.
My favorite thing about this is that it's nice to see Tanmay Bhatt exude the confidence that he can live with a white fabric couch in Mumbai.
Dude, you get this thing where it's called some nanotech liquid wash thing. And then if you drop stuff, you can like wash it quickly and it
Because you get this other thing also called Szechuan sauce.
But very cool, huh?
It's very, very, very cool. Full on.
I think मैं यहाँ पे comfortably बैठ के इसको as a painting भी देख सकता हूँ. बस देख रहा हूँ. कुछ नहीं करना, chilling time.
And before I knew it, it felt like my house was a home. And I can't tell you guys, I'm so happy to be spending time in Mumbai again. I'm closer to my friends, I'm closer to work. And I'm so happy I get time to spend with Naveed again. Very soon, Chat will be back here in Mumbai and I can't wait for him to see his new house. Want to give a huge shout out to my friends at Furlenco for helping me set up this new house. And remember, if you want to buy or rent furniture, I cannot recommend Furlenco enough.
दिल मेरा पर तुम सुन ना पाए हमारी बात ओए 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 चुरा के दिल तेरा हम दूर भागे तेरे बिना काहे हमसे नाराज रहना सजाए हम तेरी बारात है ना सवेरे दिन रात ना पाए चैना सुन लेना तुम्हें चाह कर भी न चाहे करे जो मन माने मन न माने मिली जो याद मिल के अब बाटे तेरे नाम
सुना सफर पर प्रेम नगर है मिल पाएंगे क्या हम तुमसे जो रात बीती सुबह तो आई ना छोटी उम्र पर बड़ी नजर है मिल जाएंगे ही हम तुमसे छुपा छुपाई नजर तो आई ना
अब तुम्हारे आस पास आ रही बारात करना इनकार बार बार देना साथ अब तुम्हारे आस पास आ रही बारात करना इनकार बार बार देना साथ